Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assessing the bag and acting fast. Ink behaves differently on leather versus fabric, so identify the material first. Once done, test your chosen cleaner on a hidden seam or inside edge for 30 to 60 seconds to avoid damage. Make sure to have cotton swabs, 70% rubbing alcohol, mild dish soap, and a soft microfiber cloth ready. You'll work from least to most aggressive methods to protect finishes, so begin with gentle blotting rather than scrubbing. You'll now attack the mark with controlled moves. First, blot any fresh ink with a dry cloth to remove surface pigment without spreading it. Next, dip a cotton swab in 70% alcohol and gently work from the stain's outer edge toward the center to lift ink without enlarging the spot. Once alcohol has reduced the mark, switch to a mild soap solution. 1 teaspoon soap in 1 cup water for fabric areas, applying sparingly and dabbing until the stain fades. Finish by rinsing the treated area with a barely damp microfiber cloth to remove residues, then let the bag air dry flat away from direct heat. Heat can set stains or warp materials. If ink persists, repeat the alcohol step carefully, or, for smooth leather, test a clean rubber eraser to lift remaining marks. If you notice color loss or finish damage, make sure to stop. Consider a leather dye or a professional cleaner to restore appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.